Yo, yo, yeah. Fuck the lights, fuck your rights, fuck religion, fuck Sprite, fuck heights, fuck the prisons, fuck courts, fuck police, fuck decisions, fuck every rich motherfucker counting his billions, and fuck being gay, faggot, I fuck women, and fuck sewing, fuck clothes, fuck linen, fuck drowning, fuck sharks, fuck swimming, fuck every teacher who says that my mind dimming, and fuck cocaine, fuck meth, fuck drugs, fuck every person who high cause drugs suck, and fuck having sex, fuck money, fuck love, fuck STDs, fuck kisses and fuck hugs, fuck the word fuck cause I use it too much, fuck people who get offended cause you suck, and fuck cricket, fuck sports, fuck Lil B, in the end all you brothers will fuck with me. So please don't fuck with us, cause in the end all you motherfuckers stuck with us, I said, so please don't fuck with us, cause in the end all you motherfuckers stuck with us, Fuck eating, fuck drinking, fuck food, fuck every person who says my shit's rude, and fuck every guy who says that I fuck dudes. Make shit up about me and I promise I'll fuck you. Fuck smokes, fuck bears, fuck bongs, fuck boys, fuck girls, fuck this song, fuck rubbish, fuck teeth, fuck litter, and fuck weed. But I'll tell you I love Spitter, I love Jet Life, Pro Era, and Odd Future, and fuck everybody who hates them, I might shoot ya. And fuck you too, and fuck me, and fuck every human being, they suck G. Fuck life, what the hell is it worth? I hate all the planets, but I love Mother Earth. Fuck emotions, fuck cars, fuck the government, lying to the public, I gotta say I'm loving it. So please don't fuck with us, cause in the end all you motherfuckers stuck with us, I said, so please don't fuck with us, cause in the end all you motherfuckers stuck with us,